In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to 10,000 naira and above every single day from Nigeria using your mobile phone. If you have a browsing mobile phone, you should be making passive income online. And I'm going to show you one of the ways you can make passive income online in this video. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. If you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell as to get notified each time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. This is a website that people have been using to make money online. When you log onto this website, you will see an interface like this. It's a website that hire people to do small jobs and get paid on daily basis. Now you will see an interface like this for business owners and for freelancers. Now you're coming as a freelancer, so you have jobs that you will do on a daily basis and get paid. Then if you're coming as a business owner, maybe you have a business online, you're looking for people to sign up on your website, you're looking for people to help you promote your page or your website, there is also a platform for you on this website. So as a freelancer, you can perform small jobs and you get paid every day. And depending on your efforts, depending on the effort and dedication you put in doing this work, it determines how much you can earn. There's no limit to any amount you can earn. Now you will see this interface, then you will choose anyone you want. So now when you click on register, these are the details required from you to fill. If your first name, your last name, you choose a username, your email address, then you choose a password, confirm the password. And to show you that this platform, they are very serious with what they are doing, you can see where they said creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. That means you cannot have more than one account. So they are very serious and strict with this platform. Now when you confirm your email address, you get registered. Here there is something called referral code. If you have a referral, you can just put in your referral here. Is optional though, so if you want to use my referral code to register, I will leave the referral code in the description. Once you register, you will see an interface like this. It will tell you welcome. Two ways. If you're looking for random workers, you click on this first one. If you're coming as a freelancer, then you click on perform simple and small tasks. When you click there, it will take you to different jobs they have for you. These are jobs available. These are the jobs you can perform to earn every day. Each job has a price attached to it. As you can see, the first one is 1,000 naira. Once you perform this job, you will be paid 1,000 naira. They have as low as 15 naira. They have as low as 40 naira, 80 naira. They have as much as 2,000 naira per a job. So once you complete the job and submit your proof that you've completed the task, you receive your payment. You can earn as much as 10,000 naira every day or above, depending on how much time you dedicate in doing these jobs. There are a lot of them, so depending on the time and efforts you put in, that will determine how much you can earn. So when you, for instance, let's check one of the jobs. You just click on one of them. So you're going to see the job description, what is expected of you. For instance, this is what is expected from workers to do on this job. Only new app users alone. Complete in less than 2 minutes maximum. Use the link below to download the app. Register, accept my invitation. So practically, it's for you to just download demo app and register. That's this what is required of you. This is one of the jobs, and this is what is required. Once you download the app, register with this link, you submit a proof that you've registered, and once it is confirmed, you get your 1,000 naira. Very simple and straightforward. Each of the job, you just click on it, you see the job details, what is expected from workers. For instance, this particular one says all you have to do is to click on the link and subscribe to enable confirmation of your payments. Engage on a post by commenting on a video according to its content. So you see, this one, what is required of you is just to comment on a post. Once you comment on that post, you submit a proof of it and you get paid. There are Very simple and straightforward, just like this is something you can do within a minute or 2 minutes. So depending on how many you were able to complete a day, that determines how much you can earn, but there's no limit to any amount you can earn. A lots of jobs you can do on a day. So this is a practical way to earn money and passive income online. As you can see, there are number of persons they require for each job. So for instance, the first one that is paying 1,000 required 30 persons. Only persons have done this job, so you still have an opportunity to register and start performing this one. Then for the second one, 32 naira, they need 25%. Only 7 persons have done this job. Just like that, there are a lot of them, and there are a number of persons they need to perform the job. Like this one that is paying 74 naira, they require 25 persons to perform this job and earn 74 naira. Nobody has done it, so you can have an opportunity to register and perform this job, and you start earning. Is that easy? And the minimum amount to withdraw from this platform is 2,000 naira. So whenever you earn up to 2,000 naira, you can withdraw your money to your local bank account, because you're earning in naira. Is for those who are in Nigeria, you earn in naira and you get paid in naira as well. So as you can see, the jobs are too many, uncountable, so you can perform, and they add new jobs every day, so you cannot get exhausted. The jobs can never get exhausted, and practically they are just a simple task that you can just do within a seconds. For instance, this particular one, the job description, let's click on a view job. Okay, this is what is expected of you. Just click on a YouTube link, subscribe, then send a screenshot and you get paid. So it's just very simple. So this is the way you can make passive income. So you can register today and you start earning. If you want to register, I will leave a link in my bio. I will leave a link in my description. You can click that link and you register and you start earning. So the name of this platform is called Naira Workers. It's a platform that pays you to perform daily jobs and you earn in naira. You can withdraw to your local bank account. As you can see, small gigs, big results. Like you perform simple tasks that can take you like a minute, 2 minutes to perform, submit your proof, and you get paid. So before you register, you can make your inquiries and register. I will leave a link in my description. Click on the link if you want to register and use my referral code. All right, thank you guys for watching. That will be all for this video.